Okay, so what you just watched, that entire thing, was made inside a single AI platform. Just one platform, one session, and about 30 minutes of my time. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Step by step, using a platform called EaseMate AI. The two tools doing the heavy lifting today are GPT Image 2 for the visuals and Seedance 2.0 for the animation. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why this combo is kind of insane. Let's get into it. So here's the setup. You run a small esports media page, and the Nexus World Cup 2026 is coming up. So the question I wanted to answer was this: can one person, using one AI platform, produce content that looks and feels like it came from a professional esports media organization? The answer is yes. And the platform that made it possible is EaseMate AI. It's got AI chat, image generation, video generation, writing tools, avatar tools, all in one workspace. No switching apps, no losing your creative flow. Everything lives in one place. Before anything gets posted, we need an identity, a brand, something that looks like it belongs in the esports world. So I opened AI chat inside EaseMate, and this is already worth pointing out. I didn't open a new tab. I didn't go to ChatGPT. Everything I need is right here in this one workspace. I typed, "I'm starting an esports media page covering a fictional global championship called the Nexus World Cup 2026. Give me 5 brand name ideas that feel aggressive, fast, and cinematic, like a real esports organization." After entering the prompt, set the LLM model. You will find all the powerful models here. Everything is under one umbrella. I am selecting powerful GPT 5.5. Hit the send button. It came back with a bunch of options. Now preview all of them and then select the best one for you. I will go with Vortex Arena. Okay, the title is set. Now let's create the logo. I will create a logo with GPT Image 2. And to do that, I need a detailed prompt. I am typing, "The Vortex Arena sounds good to me." Now, I will create the logo with GPT Image 2. So, I need a detailed prompt. Can you please write the prompt for me? And here it is. The prompt is ready. Now it's time to create the logo. Copy the prompt from here. Once done, go to the image generator from here. Here, you will find 2 options: text to image and image to image. I will go with text to image generation. Okay, this is the image generator interface. First, we have to select the image generator model. You will find all the popular image generator models here. I will go with the GPT Image 2 model. Now, enter the prompt here in this box. After that, set the aspect ratio and then the resolution. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. The logo is ready. Look at that. That is a logo. That is something you'd see on a tournament stream overlay or on the jersey of an esports organization. Now, if you find any issues, you can recreate the image. This is the second version. This one is also amazing. However, I think the first one is more suitable. So, I will go with the first one. Okay, our logo is ready. Now let's create the brand identity. So, we need the color palette. I will come back to the AI chat tab and select the previous chat from the chat history. Now, I will type, "Based on this logo description, give me a full brand color palette with hex codes." And here it is. Our color palette description is ready. Now, we will create a full brand kit image for reference for our brand. So, I am typing, "Now, based on this logo and color palette, create a full brand kit image prompt for Vortex Arena." And here it is, the detailed description is ready. Now, I will copy the full prompt and then open the AI image generator. This time, I will open it in a new tab. Select the image to image generator. Okay, GPT. Image 2 is selected. I won't change it. Upload the logo image as a reference. Enter the brand kit prompt. Set the aspect ratio, select the resolution, and then hit the generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. This is a perfect brand kit image. We have the logo, icon, color palette, typography, graphic elements, and brand application mockups. In 5 minutes, it looks like a real esports media operation. And we haven't even started on the actual content yet. Okay, content time. First, let's create an upcoming match poster. I will go back to the AI chat tab and type, "Create detailed image prompt for an epic cinematic esports tournament match poster, Cypher versus Gladiator." And here it is. The detailed prompt is ready. Now I will copy the prompt and come to the Image Generator tab. Enter the prompt in the prompt box. Keep the logo image as the reference. Next, set the aspect ratio and resolution and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The image is ready. Watch this. That right there is a tournament poster that would fit perfectly on the official broadcast screen of a major esports event. The split composition reads it exactly right. The neon atmosphere is exactly what the prompt asked for. The space at the bottom is clean for text overlays. Now I need player card art. In esports, player cards are massive. Every fan wants that stylized portrait of their favorite player or their favorite in-game character. So, I will generate a detailed prompt for player card prompts, and then, using the same method, I will create the image. If you have an exact player image, you can add it to the reference. Now, enter the prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the generate button to generate the image. That's a player card. That goes straight to Instagram stories. That gets pinned to the Discord announcement channel. And then I generated the score update card template, because for every match result, I need a clean, reusable graphic, 3 poster formats, 3 different use cases, 3 different content moments, all from GPT Image 2, all inside EaseMate, all in about 15 minutes. This is the poster pipeline. Every match day, I run this same flow. Update the teams, update the colors, regenerate. Consistent, fast, professional. All right, we've got our tournament poster. It's a great still, but what if it moved? That's where the Seedance 2.0 comes in. We will create a promo video now. I will create the prompt first. I am typing. Now can you please create a promo video prompt for this match? I will use Seedance 2.0 to create the video. And here it is. The prompt is ready. I will copy the prompt and come back to the AI image tab. As I will generate the video, I will go back to the home page and select the AI video option. You will find 3 options here. Let's go with the text to video option first. This is the text to video generator interface. First of all, we have to select the video generator model. Like the image generator, you will find all the latest and powerful video models here. I will select the Seedance 2.0 model from here. Once the model is selected, enter the prompt. Now, select the aspect ratio, quality, and duration. Once done, hit the generate button. And here it is. The video is ready.
Rule the arena. Gladiator.
Look at this. This looks like $1 million TV promo video I just created within a few minutes, and it perfectly follows our brand color and vibe. The typography is amazing, the motion is cinematic, and the quality is top-notch. This is really an amazing video. However, when we create the video for a real event, we need the player and team from the tournament. In that case, we have to use the image to video tool. Now, we have to upload the images. I am uploading 2 player images. Once the image is uploaded, I will enter the prompt. Now, we have to tag the images inside the prompt. Just select the area where you have to tag the image, then type @ and then select the image. Once the first is set, add the second image. Now, as we added a real person, we have to turn on the real person reference toggle. After that, set the aspect ratio, quality, and duration, and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The video is ready. Look at this. Now, we have the real player for the video. So, now you can work in any event with a real reference. And here is another video.
Map 3, final round, Cypher versus Gladiator. The Nexus World Cup 2026 is live.
That means you can create any kind of video. Here's what I want you to really absorb about this pipeline. GPT Image 2 gives you the perfect image and design. Exactly the composition, the color, the atmosphere you want. And Seedance 2.0 gives you the motion. Not only an esports event, but you can cover any event with this pipeline. Even the currently running FIFA World Cup, like this. Together, they are the most powerful content creation combo I've used. And the fact that both tools live inside EaseMate means there's zero friction between generating the image and animating it. It's one workspace, one flow, 1 session. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. They do have a free tier so you can test it out before committing to anything. And if you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what campaign you'd make with this. I'd love to see it. I'll catch you in the next one.